Hi, in this lesson I want to talk about command prompt tool which you have on your laptop or your computer. To find it, you click search, you type CMD and you just click that that element here. And a slightly small, I think there was something I can pass, select, scroll, minimize, close. Just trying to find there's a way to properties. I'm just looking for a cursor size, large, font. We want to be bigger. 28 may be fine. Okay, perfect. Now you can see exactly what is happening. So basically you will be using two commands. There's more, obviously you can use plenty of commands and you can search it online, but two which you will be using very often is ipconfig, which give you a ipconfig of your laptop computer. So let's say you come to the site, you're doing the installation and you're using their network and you have no idea what the IPs are and so on, but you know that this particular computer is connected to that network. So what you do, you type ipconfig and you just press enter, and as in another lesson you will find out that that's your ipconfig. So this is the IP address of that particular computer, that's a subnet, that's a default gateway, which is a address of your router on the private side of the network. This is your address of the router on the public network, and that's it, and you have it. And at the same time you have your version for IPv6, but we don't use it really. So that's the first command which you will be using. But then obviously there is another command in which you may try if the device which is online has if it's working. So for instance, you know the IP address on that network of your IP camera, and you use command called ping space, and you type the IP address of that camera, 192 in this case, 168.192, and I think it was 53 when we did that camera. Let's see what happens. Works. So you can see that it's telling you it's pinging with 32 bytes of data, and you have 4 packets sent, received 4, lost 0. So it means that device is working properly. So this computer was able to send the data and receive back information. Okay, let's try another one. I know there's another 192.168.192 dot, I think 43, and that's another device on the network which is working. You can see the packet sent 4, received 4, lost 0. Everything's working. Let's try some random IP ping, but on the network. I think it's raining. 192.168.192. Let's make it, I don't know, 99. And it's trying to ping. Destination host unreachable. And it's trying 4 times because it's sending 4 packets. Okay. Packets sent, packets lost. What? Ah, sorry. But yeah, sent and received, but it's unreachable. So yeah, and I can see that's the reply from this computer. As you remember, where is it? That's the address of our computer. So what you get in here, you get in reply, but it's reply not from IP you're pinging, but reply from IP from which you are pinging. So basically that IP, that computer is telling you that this destination is unreachable. So you didn't get it through. It's a different story when there's a problem with connection and it won't. It's not reachable because there's no such there's no device on that. Basically that's how it works. And as I said, there's many more commands than that, but in most cases that's what you will be using. You will ping the device to see if it's you can reach it over the network, meaning network cable works and device itself works. Obviously, the very good, once you know the IP, you can also go to the browser. Oh, sorry. You can go to the browser, and in that browser you can type the IP address, and if you get to the login page, obviously you know that the device is working. But sometimes there's a situation that there's a problem with communication, so that's the way to check it. And this command ipconfig, it will tell you exactly what type of IP address you are on, and what is your subnet and what is your IP range. Thank you.